Make money online by following these tips. Everyone knows someone who is making a killing online, but how do you get to do the same yourself? Would you like to give up your job and instead work from home? If you are interested in learning more about working online, this video has the tips and tricks you need. Even though you may be able to make money online regularly, keeping physical records of your work and earnings is still important. Print out the data from a well-maintained spreadsheet or keep a notebook by your computer. Keep accurate and up-to-date information that you will later need for tax purposes, to verify income or just for your own purposes. Data can be lost all too easily online. Create a daily schedule for yourself. Having an online income will be successful if you can do it on a regular basis. There isn't a way to make lots of money. You have to work hard daily. Choose specific times to work on it every day. Scheduling an hour can make a difference. Try doing some surveys online. You will not make as much money as you would with some other types of online work. These surveys usually do not take long, and they usually just ask for your opinion. If you join a legitimate survey site, those cents can quickly add up to some extra cash. You must have a provable identity to work online. Most companies want you to show proof of who you are, just as you would at a physical place of employment. The process will be much simpler if you're prepared with your ID. When looking for opportunities to make money online, try the big-name companies first. Amazon and eBay, for example, are trusted and have proven to work for millions of people. While it can be safe and lucrative to go with unknowns, the big companies have track records, tools and other ways of ensuring your success from the get-go. Are you a good salesperson? Look into becoming an affiliate. In this line of work, you will earn money each time you sell a product that you have agreed to endorse. After joining an affiliate program, you will get a referral link. From there, you can begin selling products, either on your own website or on someone else's site. Figure out how much you are looking to make before you begin. For example, I don't want to work for less than $15 per hour, otherwise spending time with my family or completing chores would be more worthwhile to me. What is your worth? Once you determine it, stick to your guns. It may take some time before you find your right niche in the world of working online. It will be easier, however, if you talk to those who have already walked in the shoes you're about to step into. Adopt a guru and start a conversation. See to it that you are using sites that are trusted. Make sure you have an open mind while being sure you learn all you can to make money quickly online. Now that you've read all of these great tips and tricks, you are primed to make some money online. Take your time as you begin to figure out what niche is right for you. Once you find your money-making opportunity, build up your drive and start tackling it with passion. Student loan,